Hey everyone, this is Chef Casey. I'm the executive chef at Cafe Pesto in Hilo, and today we're going to be talking about using pumpkin in a simple preparation. We got some great bacon here from Kaunamano farm, and we're pairing it with some pumpkin. It's par cooked already, so it's very easy to use. Comes in a great package, perfect amount for a meal. So to cut the pumpkin, you don't have to take off the skin, but I usually do. And then these can just be diced a little bit smaller. And we're just gonna take some of our bacon and cut it into little strips. So now that we got our pieces cut up, we're just gonna go to the saute pan with the bacon first. So once this gets crispy, we're gonna take it out of the pan and put it on a paper towel so that we can get off any excess oil. We'll leave a little bit of oil in the pan and we'll saute the pumpkin. We got our pumpkin going. I mean, I like a little spice, so especially with bacon being salty, I'm gonna put like extra black pepper. That's just my preference. Peeling a pumpkin that's raw is like one of the hardest things you'll ever do in your life. So that's why I really like this par cooked product. It is very convenient. This will be cooked in like 10 minutes. Just depends how brown you want to get it, how caramelized you want to get it. I mean, that literally took 20 minutes altogether. Very simple. And the same topping would be great on a salad, or even the next morning have it with some fried eggs. I think when you try it, you'll agree that it's delicious.